Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Chengalpet. For admissions, contact 9688999811 8012553412 73730
Menteri Ketnat PHU Markus Marak ulai thuk bak Sorkar kalabu thong ban Pynpoi kor sya kin reu poin san phui lak li Longïing bat ka kam kadang yat menta haduk menta ula ong bakiladon lai poin chipholak li Longïing ki bladep ban Pynpoi kor Thliew Ïing jongki bat ki basa on pendep hapo snam hajar arpsau ulai thuk bak Meghalaya ka de jilla ka Penteri Kampha ya ka GGM habaya nujor bak kiwai pak jilla kumta klayo pisabiang salai hajar kulur tam naka Sorkar India bahkan nang tere bahasa syuk.
Functional household tap connections, PHE department, we have crossed the hubline mark. Our target is 6,51,566 in the state. So at this moment we have connected to 3,10,714 household tap connections to every household. Can you repeat? 10,714, which is 47.69% have completed so far in terms of Jal Jeevan implementation. It's a target put by government of Meghalaya because we were facing elections 2023. So therefore, if department is given set target, then they will go for a work aggressively. So therefore, that was a target put by the government of Meghalaya. Otherwise, this target, the Jal Jeevan mission target, actual target set by the government of India is 2024. Our state is the best performing state. So we have been able to get 3 consecutive incentives for the best implementation of Jal Jeevan. So beyond 400 crores we have got from the government of India. So it's a good achievement so far. We have got additional funds also for this entire year. We have around 3,000 plus crores now to implement. We have to implement because the government of India is going to close down 2024. So therefore, this year, in this current financial year, we have to do our best to get the household tap connections. This hurdle, some of the projects are having difficult terrain, not accessibility, road accessibility. Some are bordering to Assam. Those villages are having, difficulty in road connectivity. Some are, don't have a source. They have to go for a drilling, and in some locations we don't get the cooperation from the villages where land issues are also there. So these are the hurdles that we face in implementing this Jal Jeevan mission. We set the target. As I said, the state level sanctioning committee has already approved for this connection of 6,51,566. This is the target, and for this government has already sanctioned, and then funds are also received. We are going ahead with the implementation. Those are eligible, they are already approved, and then on the various stages of implementation. So name of the villages, if you ask me, I don't have the figure with me. Number of villages, I don't have the figure with me right now. We are going for a centralization of procurement of GI pipes, STPE pipes now. This is done because to maintain the quality of pipes that are being supplied to the state. So therefore, government of Meghalaya has decided to go for a centralization procurement of pipes, and now pipes will be given to the contractors, so they don't have to go individually to the companies and procure the pipes themselves. So it will be quite easier for the contractors now to get the pipes. Earlier they have to purchase themselves, but in some of the projects, those are big enough, and then they are given turnkey basis of work orders through which they implement the projects. There are different companies. For GI pipe, there are different companies. For HDPE pipe, there are different companies. The name of the companies, I don't have the figure with me now.